How to make I Am That I Am Absolute Trinity Oneness Life Force Copper Crystal Pendulum Necklaces. Include entire family and children. Locate a bead and jewelry store that sells clear quartz crystals. No need to be perfect as they are all original one-of-kind like you are. Next you will need copper wire. You can find it at businesses that restores electric motors. Next step is to buy 3 artist paint brushes or old ones lying around. Next purchase a small needle nose pliers and a wire cutter. These are available at hobby bead stores. Wrap the copper wire around the paint brush at the width of the crystal you choose. Next, place the crystal inside the copper spiral. At the end of crystal use the needle nose pliers to twist the copper wire to prevent the crystal from falling out. Use the needle nose pliers to twist a loop at top where necklace braid will go through. Thread braid through hook and close hook with pliers. Snip ends with wire snips. These are necklace braids available at hobby bead stores. Completed Life Force Pendulum Necklace. Must print this out on 8.5 by 11-inch paper to include as instructions with Life Force Copper Crystal Pendulum Necklace. Laminate as a sales sheet to explain to potential customers as you demonstrate the pendulum over their hands and head. Word of caution: we have experienced an individual where the pendulum did not move. This indicates that person has no life force from our Creator. This is a dark left intellect we should all avoid. Dead people have no life force. It's sad so many humans worldwide have lost jobs and are without income. This is an opportunity to serve your absolute Trinity Creator and provide income to survive. We are all I Am That I Am in absolute oneness consciousness with our Trinity Creator. We must unite. In I Am That I Am oneness to survive and thrive in love and peace under the golden rule and the way, the truth and the life. Our Creator loves all His children and wants to protect us. Tears are shed for all lost children and souls following Satan's arrogant greed, lying and cheating others. This amazing pendulum spirit life force crystal tells us when we discipline ourselves to stand in creative integrity, to not be arrogant, never lie, cheat or steal, we can return home to infinite eternity. This is the absolute truth. This knowledge is presented to the world to be free to all to survive. Not about greed. It's about need. We are 7 billion strong on this beautiful planet Earth.